Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting packaging to catch the easiest counterfeits. Open the box and compare weight, print sharpness, and embossing. Genuine Marshall boxes feel substantial and crisp. Next, match the serial number on the sticker to the one printed in the manual. Mismatches are a red flag. Also count accessories and check their quality against the official list. Once done, set suspicious items aside for deeper checks. This first step filters out many fakes quickly and efficiently. Now move to the headphones themselves and inspect physical details closely. You should examine the logo, hinges, padding, and paint. Genuine Marshalls show consistent finishes and tight seams. Small flaws usually mean counterfeit. Test every button and port because originals have reliable, precise action while fakes feel loose or mushy. If you can safely open an ear cup, check internal wiring and PCB markings for manufacturer stamps. These internal cues explain why quality matters and reveal shortcuts counterfeiters take. Finish by verifying performance, software, and support to confirm authenticity. Play reference tracks and check frequency balance, bass response, and any active noise control. Inconsistencies signal imitation. Then pair with the official Marshall app or firmware updater. Counterfeit units often fail authentication or lack app features. If doubt remains, contact Marshall support with the serial number and purchase proof. They can verify origin. If something goes wrong, document photos and where you bought them before contacting the seller or payment provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.